Your nursing license is your livelihood. It is the one biggest asset you have, even more than your house, because your nursing license is going to carry you through your career. It is the means by which you support yourself, your family, and you achieve the other goals you have in life. You need to protect it, and you need sound advice in making sure that you keep your nursing license without disciplinary action. Many nurses face licensing board actions that are brought by their employers or by complaints by patients or by other employees. These cases are serious cases. There's often allegations of drug discrepancies that could potentially result in a license discipline action or even more so in a potential criminal action. You need to be cautious in those situations. It is important to seek sound legal advice regarding how to deal with these situations. Anytime a nurse is fired from employment in the state of Georgia, there's a requirement for them to be reported to the Georgia Board of Nursing. The Georgia Board of Nursing takes these reports extremely seriously. Reports of drug diversion are very, very serious as well. And these reports are reviewed by the board and often sent for criminal prosecution. At Frances Cullen P.C., we are familiar with how the board processes these types of cases. Cases generally begin with a complaint, then go to investigation, sometimes call for investigative interviews, and very often result in disciplinary action. If you are charged with a drug-related offense or a drug discrepancy, you may face the possibility of being sent for an evaluation and/or your case could be sent for potential criminal prosecution. You need action quickly to forego all these types of actions. It may be that this is an honest mistake, and if that is the case, then you need intervention quickly to forestall what could come next. Often, nurses and other healthcare professionals are sent for treatment or evaluation that may or may not be appropriate due to the circumstances. It's all a matter of proof and evidence. We are well qualified to fully evaluate your case and provide you with good, sound advice as to how to deal with these issues and how best to protect your license and your livelihood. At Frances Cullen P.C., we have represented hundreds of nurses in defending their licenses. We have represented nurses with cases regarding their applications, with cases regarding alleged drug discrepancies, in cases regarding patient complaints, with issues regarding their authority as an advanced practice nurse. We've represented numerous allegations regarding impairment. With regard to impairment, if there's an allegation that you have an impairment issue, we know how to find resources if that is indeed the problem, and to walk you through the process with the Board of Nursing to get you the best result possible. If you have a legitimate defense to some kind of alleged drug diversion issue, we can best defend your license. We are so familiar with the different resources available and how to review these cases and defend against these cases. And we can give you sound advice as to how to reach the best outcome for those kinds of allegations and protect you for your future employment. At Frances Cullen P.C., we know how to handle these cases.